Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely. 200 g dark chocolate and 100 g butter melt to form the base. Use a double boiler because gentle heat preserves gloss and avoids seizing. Alternatively, microwave in short bursts. While that melts, crush 150 g biscuits to fine crumbs and sift 50 g cocoa to prevent lumps. Once done, fold in 2 tablespoons condensed milk to bind. This controls sweetness and texture. Make sure your chilled tray is ready, so you can shape balls immediately when mixture cools slightly. Once your chocolate base and crumbs are combined, you must judge consistency, sticky enough to hold, not wet. Stir thoroughly so cocoa and crumbs hydrate evenly. This ensures texture and prevents dry pockets. Next, chill the bowl 20 to 30 minutes to firm the mix. Chilling stabilizes fats, making shaping easier. Use a small scoop for uniform 18 to 25 gram portions, then roll quickly between palms. Warm hands soften. If that happens, return balls to the fridge briefly. Make sure each ball is compact to avoid crumbling during. You finish by tempering or gently melting coating chocolate to achieve a glossy shell. Aim for about 32 to 34 degrees for good snap, and cool it slightly so it clings without sliding. Dip each ball, tap off excess, and place on parchment. Spacing prevents sticking. Set the tray in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to fully firm. If the coating seizes or becomes grainy, don't panic. You can rescue it by stirring in 1 teaspoon neutral oil or a splash of warm cream to smooth texture and restore shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.